someone who's just starting baseball, so a little kid. I'd say for like 80% of the kids out there, it's more the parents probably putting the kid into the game and not the kid wanting to, you know, go play. Parents, don't force your kids to play it, and so that's 1A. 1B is make sure you're having fun. High school tip: all kids bloom at different stages of their lives. So, for example, like, don't be frustrated because you are not on the varsity team. Don't get frustrated. Just keep playing hard, and like I said, have fun. College, the hard truth: most people that make it that far don't move on. Do your work. You know, I played with guys who, you know, thought they would get drafted and then injury happens, or I've seen guys that, you know, told they get drafted, never get drafted, and then didn't do any of their schoolwork.
So have kind of like a backup
Have a backup plan,
plan,
yeah, but don't just rely strictly on baseball, because the facts are that it's only works out for so many people. Tip for the minor leagues.
Some advice, something.
Some advice: make sure if you are 21, you have adult beverages on those long bus rides, and plenty of movies to watch. Or if you like to play cards, you know, find a group of guys on your team bus that like to play cards, because some of those road trips get, you know, I've been on bus rides and not good buses, like not like
you're saying be prepared for the bus ride is your number one advice for a minor leaguer trying to move up.
And you know what? Just to test you now, I would start eating peanut butter and jelly every day.
Just so you get used to it?
Just so you know what you're getting into. Tip number 5, my final tip: always say it was an accident.
We have the gloves.
Once again, we're back, and thanks for having me out.
Yeah.
Sunglass Bob.
Yeah, thanks, Joey.
Brittany, good tips.
And you got any more questions for Joe? Leave them down in the comment section. Maybe we'll make sure you.
I won't read it.
You'll read it.
He can shoot it to me.
We'll crop that out.
Yeah.